This RTF right outside the box can rip some serious 3-day. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings, alishanmao here. Welcome to, I believe this is the third flight of Eachine E150 Mini 3 helicopter. I'm still using E6 radio, so you know, just to see how the RTF keeps working on and how much I get used to it. After some time I may go for, you know, Futaba setup. So let's fly it, shall we? Oh, that was close. Oh, the bogging. Really, motor? You shouldn't be doing that. You're a direct drive. Look at those hard, full positive, full negative punches. Motor doesn't bog, but if you do it at a very high load, the motor seems to bog down. But overall, man, this is, you know, full stock setup, no settings tweak, right outside the box. It is doing this. Oh, that was a second very hard bog. Guess I'm just pushing it too much with my stupid stick moves. And somehow I am getting lucky as well. Oh, okay. that was a nice hit on the ground. Let's calm it down. Whee! Okay, battery is dying. Hit 6G. That was nice, man. I really threw it around a bit, more than what I could do. You know, I was not worried about crashing it because I wanted to see if I crash, what happens. Hey, amazing, man. Thank you very much, Eachine. This RTF, right outside the box, can rip some serious 3-day. Only if you can do it. I don't have much skills, but whatever I could do, I have just shown you what this helicopter is capable of. Definitely 2 thumbs up, man. Oh, you know, 4 thumbs up. And thank you very much for watching this video. If you like Eachine E150, go ahead, link is in video description. You can get it and enjoy flying it or rip some serious 3D if you have got skills. If not, in 6G mode, you can still have fun with it. But if you're a total beginner, nini, nai, don't go for it. Total beginners, stay with eSky 300 V2. That's a nice helicopter. So, thank you very much. Give this video a big thumb up. Stay tuned for more videos coming your way soon. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that little bell icon, and turn on all the notifications.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?